love with this color. I think I feel like I will wear this color every day basically now. Every day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I recreated a look which I got really inspired by Patrick Ta on Adriana Lima. Her lip that look was basically nothing but the orange lip. This is it. Like the orange lip just like spoke to me as soon as I saw it. I just wanted to recreate that look, and there you go. I recreated it. I hope I have done justice to this look, and I love it. I love how this look has been created on me. I mean, it looks really nice. It basically, the eyes are very simple, like nothing much at all. It's basically the lip that speaks to you, just the lip. It's a very bold lip, a very orange bold lip, which is not my vibe usually, as you all know.
I'm a nude girl. I'm a lover of nude colors.
Actually, I love how this looks on me. Something very different, but I love it. It looks really nice. It's very glossy. Like I'm glowing. Do you see the glow on myself? Glowing to another different level, guys. It's another different level. I hope you guys will enjoy this look, and please let me know if you all enjoyed, and let me know what kind of videos that you want to watch in this channel. I would love to do something new, and then something that you guys would love and learn from me. So okay, let me know. I would always love to know your comments. Stay tuned for more videos. Before I'm done here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video with your friends and family and whoever. And thank you so much for the support that you have shown on my last video, and show me and shower me with so much more love. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy. So to create this look, obviously, as we all know, Patrick Ta is known for his complexion. His complexion is like so good. I always look up to his makeup because he creates this very glossy look on the face, which I really like. His makeup is very simple, but he always makes sure to create a statement look. So to start with the complexion, he obviously start with his skin prep, which he really believes in that. So for the skin, for the moisturizer, I have not prepped my skin. I have just used the Huda Wishful Glow Scrub, and now I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Ola Sun brightening gel cream.
So a fun fact, guys. I actually attended a Patrick Ta virtual Zoom masterclass. It was amazing. Like to see him doing makeup even through a Zoom, or I think it was the airtime app. It was this new app that he was promoting, and then I attended that masterclass. It was so good. I really liked it. I literally woke up at I kept the alarm at 5:30 a.m. and attended his masterclass. It was amazing. I was so thrilled.
He uses all Lame products which your girl can't afford. Like, So for now, I'm using this Ola Sun banana eye cream. This is my favorite eye cream.
Do you see how I came alive after my skin prep? I was literally looking dead. Like, so dead.
During his masterclass, he said that he uses the Peel Away's Room 2 primer as well. She's amazing. I used the same thing. It is really good. But the only difference that he did was that he uses a very little amount of this and then put a foundation on top of it. He uses a very fluffy brush, so I'm going to use a fluffy brush as well. I'll be using the NARS foundation. I'm going to take a little bit of this and then put it on my eyes. So for the eye look, I honestly don't see a big thing done on the eyes. So what I'm going to do is basically use the bronzer, the same bronzer that I'm going to use on my face, as a bit of a crease color and then just go with the other shimmery glossy color. Also, one thing I always notice that he actually mentioned about this in the masterclass as well. He always like this very elongated eye look, not upwards but in a very straight way. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Francation palette and use this shimmery color which is called Just a Kiss. It's a very shimmery glossy kind of a shade. I think it's perfect for this look. So I basically want this color to go to my crease as well. So I'm basically pressing this color. So what he does is he uses an oil.
That why am I putting this much oil, but this is how his complexion looks before he puts anything on the face.
So to apply the foundation, he usually uses a brush first and then go over the foundation with a sponge again to get the streaks off. But so I'm gonna use a brush as well. This is the Morphe E6 brush. I have started loving brushes again, which is very weird for me because I am not a brush lover usually.
Do you see how glowy my complexion is looking at the moment?
So from here things changes a bit from my usual routine because I usually do my concealer at this point, but he mentioned that doing the contour first, make sure that you don't put a lot of concealer on your face. He uses the Huda Tantua as well. I'm using the shade in Fair. Now it's time for the concealer. So for the concealer, he usually put the concealer with a brush, not from the wand itself. So I'm gonna try to do that now. So what I'm gonna do is take a small flat brush like this and place it wherever I want first. He basically places the concealer here only. He literally uses this brush, this NYX number, I don't know which brush I have this in my clients kit. I won't be using it on myself. This is what I use for my clients. So what he does is basically take powder like that. He uses a sponge. I'm going to use this. Basically put the extra powders away and then basically set the under eyes. And he actually cuts the contour. Especially since we are doing Adriana's look, we need a pretty strong contour. So I kept the powder for some time, and now I'm gonna basically wipe it off, press from the sponge. So like I mentioned before, I'm going to take the same bronzer and bronze my face a bit. This is basically done to set the contour that we placed before. The blush he uses, it looks like he has used orange color blush. So here's a fun fact, guys. You know that I love blush. Guess what? He loves blush as well. What he does is quite different, because we always learned saying put your cream first and then put your powders, right? But for the blush, he do it in a very different way. So he put the powder blush first and then the cream blush on top of it. So guess what? We're gonna try it and see how it works. Patiktra's blush, which is She's Sincere, which is a really orangey color brush. I love this blush. It's a really nice blush color. He actually mentions the same thing about blush, that blush fades off very quickly, so it's okay to put a little bit more blush. I'm gonna use my handy dandy new stick blushes from shade Sunset Strip. This is a really good blush, guys. I love it. So I'm gonna basically place it here on my hand, and he uses a sponge for this. It's actually really nice. Do you see how dewy and glowy it looks? Then this side. Love Petita.
So I'm going to take the other side of the sponge now and basically press the product again to the skin.
Actually, he does the same thing. He basically took the brush again and softened up the edges of the blush. Like, it basically blends into the skin or the cheeks. I'm gonna try using this. This is also the Patikta's highlighter mist. This is a really good highlighter, but the only downside of this product is that it goes everywhere on the skin, which is something that we don't want. So we need to be very specific with it. What I'm going to do is basically spray it on the sponge. So he sets the skin with a dewy skin mist. I have a skin mist which is a little bit towards the dewy side, which is from LC. I'm gonna
use this today.
So getting into the brows, as we all know that he has very feathery looking eyebrows for everyone, and he uses a soap brow. Spray a little bit of your setting spray or whatever you have. Filling the eyebrows, I'm literally gonna take the Dose of Colors Pretty Cool palette. Make actually this gray color. Make sure, guys, that you don't use a lot of product for this. And a very light hand. So we'll complete the eyes now. So for the mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Patikta's Body Glow. This is in the shade A Dream, which is the champagne shade, the lightest color of the whole range. This is actually one of the first product that he came out with, and I love it. It gives this really nice glow, which I love. So it's time for the lips now. It's literally the time for that bold orange lip that we always wanted to have, but we never wear them. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Anna Nicole. I might use a little bit of dose of colors hot fire as well.
Whoa. Like, who am I? I don't literally wear red.
It's really nice. It complements this whole look. Since we have kept the eyes very simple, this lip looks really nice on itself. Like, it makes a statement. Like in that picture, this literally completed the whole look. It's so pretty. I like it. I'm gonna take the blush into a blending brush and then basically go in the crease, onto the crease a little bit, just to pull this look together. Colourpop Sweet Talk palette, and take this color on top. Yeah guys, hope you all enjoyed this whole look. I actually enjoyed creating this look on myself. I hope you guys will create this as well and tag me as well, and as well as Patrick Ta, because he's the one who really created this whole look and I'm in love with it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Do you see how this look is without even highlight? We have not even touched the highlight yet.